Very good morning to all of you, dear
Good
children.
morning, ma'am.
Let's wait for a couple of minutes to join all the students. Then after we will start our revision session, that is MCQ discussion of the discuss the chapter
Good morning, ma'am.
criminal justice system. Okay. When someone is speaking, please mute your mic. Then after you will get chance. Everyone of you will get chance. Okay, beta. So be ready. Sharp at 9:05 a.m. we will start our revision. Then after we will not wait for anyone, but till then we will wait. Okay. Till then, any one of you want to deliver today's news headline or something special, you can. And one more thing, children, attendance is going on, so don't rename, don't leave the class in between. Okay, and keep on our video. कल बहुत सारे लोगों का नाम आया है जो क्लास में थे फिर भी एब्सेंट मार्क हुए हैं जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ योर वीडियो डेली डेली आई विल नॉट टेल द सेम थिंग टू यू चिल्ड्रन ओके Lavya Soni, I think you have entered with the name of Parth Soni. Am I right? Wait. ठीक कर देती हूँ मैं हो गया लव्या आपका नाम अब अपना वीडियो ऑन कर सकते हैं
Good morning, ma'am.
वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू
Good morning, ma'am.
वेरी गुड So here I am able to see Surya, Shaurya, Keshav, Shreyans, Gunjan, Naman. Soon. Yesterday also, Soon, you were present in the class, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
I think then after you are marked as absent. That's why again and again.
No, ma'am, I am present.
Yesterday I sent name of children, those who are absent.
Ma'am, my name is not in the list.
Good, then okay. Saksham, your name is there, beta? Saksham? The reason behind that is you are just आप लोग ऑन कर रहे हैं वीडियो ऑफ कर रहे हैं इसकी वजह से यू आर मार्क्ड एज एब्सेंट सो डोंट डू सो ओके गुड the children those who are Laksh, I know, no need to tell again and again. I have conveyed your message to Vice Principal, ma'am. Okay. So related to this chapter, any one of you want to tell something or shall we start our class? Naman, yesterday I sent message in the group, please check the message properly. Okay. So today I will not remove any student because automatically you will marked as absent those who are not keeping on their video. Fine. Automatically, it's the rule of our school. Whenever you are attending online class or giving examination, you must need to keep on your video. Fine. It's 9:05 and I am going to start my class. Children, all of you are unmuted from my side. So only when you are answering, keep on your mic. Okay. Otherwise, no need. So here I am going to ask questions. All of you can reply. And the question is from understanding our criminal justice system, which chapter in a very previous class we have discussed. It means yesterday. When someone violated the law, we immediately inform option A, neighbors, relatives, judge, police. We inform to whom?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes,
May I tell?
continue.
Police.
The right answer is police.
Ma'am, we have to check or we have to.
No need to chat. You need to reply. That's why I give right to unmute yourself. Okay. But chillana nahi. Police generally do A, file a report, B, arrest a person, C, both A and B, D, none of this.
Ma'am, both A
File a
and B.
report.
Can I tell?
Ma'am, file a report.
Both
File
A
a
and
report.
B
Ma'am,
is
file a
right
report.
answer. Both A and B is right answer means option C. Option C is right answer. An accused person is decided by A, police, B, court, C, person himself.
Police.
Ma'am, court.
Court is right answer. Next is every person has
Option A, police.
every person has a fundamental right to be defended by a lawyer under the Act. Article 42, Article 67, Article 45, Article 22.
Article
Ma'am,
42.
22.
Article
Ma'am, 22.
22 is right answer.
22.
Yes. Article 22 is right answer. Next question. Constitution places a duty on the state to provide a lawyer. I am repeating this. Constitution places a duty on the state to provide a lawyer to any citizen who is unable to engage one due to poverty or other disability. According to Article 39, Article 22, Article 43, Article 67.
Ma'am, Article 67.
Wrong.
Article
Ma'am, Article 43.
Ma'am, 45.
अरे 45 तो ऑप्शन में है ही नहीं. The right answer is Article 39. Note it down. The right answer is Article 39. Okay. Key players of criminal justice system are A, police and public prosecutor, B, defense lawyer and judge, C, both A and B, D, none of this.
Both A and B.
Both A and B.
Yes, both A and B is right answer. Good. Next question. Police file a charge sheet in the court. I am repeating the question. Police file a charge sheet in the court and dash. If police arrest a person, if a person is suspected for anything, if a person commit a crime, if an investigation proves the person is accused.
Ma'am, option
If a
first.
person is
Option A.
a crime.
Option A.
Option A, ma'am.
Option A.
No, it's wrong answer. Option B. If investigation proved the person is accused. Option B. Okay. Fine. Next. And the next question is, who decided the guilty or innocence of victim?
Judge.
Judge.
Yes, judge.
Judge.
Yes,
Judge.
right answer. Okay, fine. Right not to be ill-treated or tortured during arrest or in custody, written under Article 22, Article 52,
Article 20.
Article 43, Article 67.
Article 52.
Article 46.
67.
22. Yesterday we discussed thoroughly about this
Article 20.
According to Article 22, none of police officer have right to torture to any accused person. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So children need to learn all the things, note down all the things. If you have any doubt, please start noting down. कोई भी article में doubt हो रहा है, anything could be asked. Okay? Fine. Next question is, be ready. Article 22 contains. Listen to question carefully first of all. Article 22 contains A. Police has the right to arrest any person without complaint. B. A boy under 15 years of age and woman can't be used as evidence against the accused. C. Both A and
B.
D. All of these.
Both
B.
Both A and B.
No, ma'am. B. A police and
Both A and B.
Who is saying
B.
Both A and B.
how?
no, ma'am. Only B.
I'm only B.
Right, only B is right. Those who are saying both A and B is wrong answer. Beta, A is saying police has the right to arrest any person without.
Ma'am, B.
A is wrong answer. First of all, listen. That's why I'm telling. Listen. Police has a right to
Ma'am,
arrest
B.
any person without complaint. पुलिस के पास ऐसा right होता है कि बिना complaint के जाके arrest कर ले. Constitution
No,
में ऐसा
ma'am.
कहीं पर नहीं लिखा
No,
है.
ma'am. No.
इसलिए A option A is wrong. Option B is right. Okay, DK Basu guidelines include A. The police official. Now listen it carefully. The police officials should wear accurate and visible name tags with their identification. B. A memo of arrest should be prepared at the time of arrest. C. Both A and B. D. None of this.
Ma'am, both A and B.
Yes, right answer.
Ma'am, both A and B.
Yes, both A and B is absolutely right answer. Good. राशि म्यूट कर लो बेटा माइक. Okay. FIR stands for Formal Identification Report. First information.
Ma'am, first information report. Ma'am, first information report.
Yes, first information report is right answer. Next is public prosecutor is A. One who represent the interest of state. B. One who investigate crime. C. Both A and B.
Ma'am, option A.
None of
Ma'am, option A.
Ma'am, option A.
Yes,
Ma'am, option A.
Option A is absolutely right.
Yes, ma'am. Option A.
Now, what is the role of judge? Decide whether accused person is guilty or innocent. B. May send the person to the jail. C. May impose a fine or both. D. All of these.
All of this.
All of them.
All of this.
All of these.
This is correct.
All of these.
All of this.
Here we can, here we get all the role of judges. Judges decide person is guilty or not. Judges decide whether he or she have to send the jail or not, है ना? Maybe impose fine or both. Jail भी भेज सकता है, fine भी impose कर सकते हैं. It means these all are the role of judge. Okay, good. Next, what is a fair trial? The trial in the absence of a...
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
Okay. Now is it okay with us?
Ma'am, your voice is not
Okay.
clear.
I heard it.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
is it okay?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Wait. Give me a 30 seconds. Is it okay now?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. Next question. The next question is, what is a fair trial? A, the trial in the absence of accused. B, the trial in the presence of accused.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
I'm present.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Yes, please. I am repeating the same, but you children are saying that my voice is not clear. What is a fair trial? A, the trial in the absence of accused. The trial in the presence of accused. Judge should not be there for judgment. All of this.
Ma'am, your voice
Ma'am,
is
your voice is not
cracking.
clear.
Wait.
Ma'am, it's cracking.
I
Ma'am,
heard
your
it.
voice is not
Trial in
clear.
presence of accused.
Yes, option A is right.
Ma'am, trial in presence of accused.
Option A is right answer. Next question. What is the best way to choose a judge? Choose judges. A, nominating by legislature. B, by executive. C, by political parties. D, by the people.
Ma'am, by the people.
Yes, it is right answer, by the people. The Chief Justice get retired at the age of, the Chief Justice get retired at the age of A, 56 years, B, 40 years, C, 58 years, D, 75 years.
Ma'am, 75 years.
75.
Yes, right answer is 75
75.
years. Rule of law was defined by Yasi, Gladstone, Lasky, none of these.
B.
Ma'am,
And B.
B, Gladstone. And the right option is Dhyasi. It is given in your NCERT book. The Indian judiciary consists of a dash for entire nation. The Indian judiciary consists of a dash for entire nation. A, High Court. B, Supreme Court. C, District Court. D, all of these.
All of this.
Supreme
All
Court.
of these.
District Court.
Wrong
Ma'am,
answer.
District Court.
All of this.
District Court is wrong answer.
Supreme
Beta,
Court.
Supreme Court.
Listen the question. हाँ, अब कोई ना कोई एक तो होगा. The Indian judiciary consists of a means a single. That's for entire nation. पूरे देश के लिए
Supreme
केवल
Court.
एक होता है. That is Supreme Court, ना?
Supreme Court, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
because
ma'am.
High Court is
Yes,
there
ma'am.
in every state. District Court is there in every state. So, Supreme Court would be the right answer, which is only single court for entire country. Okay. How many articles are there in our Indian Constitution? I'm not going to give you option. How many articles are there in Indian Constitution?
54.
आई थिंक जैनम रामपुरिया, आपने ये पढ़ा था जब प्रियम्बल पढ़ा था तब।
मैम 395.
मैम 395.
मैम 395.
95.
It was according to new impeachment, new amendment. Now 395 articles were there.
Ma'am,
Ma'am
Ma'am,
440.
no ma'am, 470.
440. 448 ma'am.
470.
Pulkit, tell the right answer.
470.
470.
470 articles.
407.
470. 470 ma'am.
470. पुलकित?
Yes ma'am.
Ma'am.
शायद मैंने जीरो इधर उधर कर दिया. Okay. So according to new amendment, impeachment was there. Now we have 470 articles we have, and each articles have their own sub articles, है ना? Subsections. आपने कभी देखा है ना? According to article 31 1A-K-2 ऐसा बोला जाता है ना?
Yes ma'am.
You know?
Yes ma'am.
Have you ever heard or seen in the movie? है ना?
Yes ma'am.
So Rashi, it is very tough to send me all the charge sheet of articles. पूरा constitution का book भेजना पड़ेगा बेटा. Better download it, है ना? Okay, be ready for the next question. Marshal judge is related with dash. Marshal judge is related with dash. A, constitutional law. B, international law. C, public law. D, rule of law.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
International.
International law.
Constitution. Wrong. The right answer is constitutional law. The right answer is constitutional law. Children, note it down. When one see violating the law, one immediately think of informing the whom? When one see violating the law, one immediately think of informing the किसको inform करना चाहिए?
Police.
Yes, police is right answer.
Police.
According to dash, every individual charged of a crime has to be given fair trial. A, law. B, constitution. C, police. D, judge.
Ma'am, police.
Law.
Constitution, according to constitution is right answer. एक बच्चे ने बोला constitution. Next question is, the judges of Supreme Court are appointed by, I will not give you option. The judges of Supreme Court are appointed by
President.
President is right answer. President is right answer. Okay. Our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, got oath or got his charge as a Prime Minister, Independent India, Prime Minister of Independent India. In front of whom? किन्होंने उनको oath दिलाया था?
Ma'am, Mahatma Gandhi.
Wrong answer. चैतन्य, भगत सिंह तो थे ही नहीं बेटा. 20.
Yes, ma'am. Can you repeat the question again, please?
First Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, got his oath in front of whom? या उनको oath किन्होंने दिलाया था?
सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल.
No.
मैम बाल गंगाधर तिलक.
अच्छा, ये लोग थे. अच्छा, एक बार बताओ, who was the first Viceroy, Governor General of Independent India?
Lord Mountbatten. Lord Mountbatten.
विलियम बेंटिंग कौन थे बेटा? लॉर्ड
मैम
माउंटबेटन मैं मान
लॉर्ड
गई। विलियम
माउंटबेटन
बेंटिंग कौन थे?
कौन से मैम नहीं पता।
मैम आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं है, एक बार
हाँ ये
रिपीट
तो
करो।
होता है,
मैम
ये
क्लियर है मैम, क्लियर
बहुत क्लियर है बेटा। जब
क्लियर
आप लोग
है।
को बातें समझ में नहीं आती ना क्वेश्चन, तो मेरी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आती, ये बहुत अच्छे से पता है। इट इज योर
नो मैम
होमवर्क।
क्लियर है, क्लियर
मैम
क्लियर है
Tomorrow I will again ask about the
मैम।
Lord. एक मिनट, let me finish, Pulkit. Tomorrow I will again ask. It is homework for you all. Who was Lord William Bentinck and who was Lord Mountbatten? What was the major
मैम
difference
विलियम
between?
बेंटिंग
मैम
तो मेरे को पता
मैम
है।
आई नो अबाउट इट मैम। लॉर्ड माउंटबेटन वाज द लास्ट वाइसरॉय ऑफ इंडिया।
हाँ,
मैम विलियम बेंटिंक मैम, he was also very famous viceroy of India.
he was the first Governor General of Independent India. दोनों के बीच में यही अंतर है, एक
Yes,
लास्ट
यस
yes.
था,
मैम।
एक लास्ट था,
Viceroy
नो
एक
is the
मैम।
फर्स्ट था।
general.
When India got independent, Lord Bentinck was the Governor General of India, and in front of him, Lord William Bentinck gave charge to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru as a Prime Minister. Okay, जिसने भी कल का KBC देखा होगा उसको याद होगा। That's why I asked this question. Okay, now ready for the next question.
Yes ma'am, excellently ready.
Fine. Which is the highest court of appeal in civil and criminal cases? Which is the highest court of appeal in civil and criminal cases? District Court, Supreme Court, High Court, all of this.
सुप्रीम
Ma'am, Supreme Court.
Supreme Court.
Supreme
Ma'am,
Court
Supreme
is
Court.
right
Supreme
answer.
Court. Supreme Court.
Yes. Independence of judiciary means. Independence of judiciary means A. It is not under
Ma'am,
control of.
independence of, ma'am, can I tell?
Let me tell the option
मैम
first of all. A.
Ah.
It is not
Yes,
under
ma'am.
control of legislature or the executive. B. It is. This is the only reason I mute all of you. This is the only reason.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
नो मैम इट्स क्लियर।
No,
I know,
it is
beta.
breaking.
चैतन्य, आप नेटवर्क में आ जाओ। Be in proper network,
Yes,
चैतन्य।
ma'am.
वेरी बैड नेटवर्क।
अब भाई आपकी वॉइस क्लियर।
हाँ, this is the only reason I keep mute all of you. किसी का फोन बज रहा है, किसी के घर में कुकर की सीटी बज रही है, हाँ? Then after I will upload the same video in the portal. Okay, now the question is independence of judiciary means A. It is not under control of legislature or the executive. B. It is under control of president. C. Both
No,
A
ma'am.
and B.
Ma'am,
B,
option
none
A.
of this.
मैम ऑप्शन ए। ऑप्शन ए।
Option A.
Option A.
Option A.
Option A.
Option
It
A.
is not under
Option A.
control.
Option A.
अच्छा, बोलने के बाद चुप हो जाया करो। It is not under control of legislature or the executive is right answer. Option A. Next question.
Yes, ma'am.
The power and independence of the Indian judiciary allow to act as a guardian of the. I'm repeating the question. The power and independence of the Indian judiciary allow to act as the guardian of the A. Fundamental duties. B. Fundamental rights. C. Directive principles of state policies. And D. Moral duty.
Option B. Option B. Option
ऑप्शन
B.
बी मैम।
Yes.
फंडामेंटल
Option
राइट।
B,
Rights,
fundamental rights.
Ma'am, B.
Yes.
फंडामेंटल राइट्स।
Go on, ma'am.
What is public interest litigation? Public is important than law. Nominated the leaders. Anyone can approach to courts if public interest is hurt by the action of government. All of this.
Ma'am, C. Ma'am, C. Ma'am, option C.
ऑप्शन
Yes. Option C is right answer. Anyone can approach to court if public interest is hurt by the action of government. Right. Define the term SI.
Ma'am, SI.
सब कॉन्टिनेंट ऑफ इंडिया।
SI का फुल फॉर्म क्या है?
Continent of India.
Sub inspector.
Who is saying Arham? Sub inspector is right answer. Which one of the following is an important function of police? Which one of the following is an important function of police? To arrest the person on complaint. B. To arrest the neighbor of thief. C. To punish the accused. D. To send him to jail.
मैम ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन है
ऑप्शन
Yes.
है
Option
ऑप्शन
A. To arrest the person on
option A.
complaint is right answer. Okay.
यस मैम
An investigation include statement of witness, statement of bill, statement of judge, all of this.
all of these
स्टेटमेंट ऑफ विक्टिम
Ma'am, statement of witness.
Yes,
Statement-
Sakshi said right
statement of
answer.
witness.
Statement of
Statement
witness is
of
right
victim.
answer. आप लोग कंटिन्यूसली साथ में
Ma'am,
बोलेंगे
statement-
तो
आई आल्सो
Statement of witness.
ओके बेटा एक बार बोलने के बाद आप लोग प्लीज चुप हो जाएंगे क्योंकि आप लोग की सारी चीजें रिकॉर्ड हो रही है ना. मैं भी देख रही हूँ कौन सही बोल रहा है कौन नहीं. एक साथ बोलेंगे तो सुनाई देगा क्या? नहीं ना.
नहीं
हाँ फाइन.
ओके
The guidelines for the police investigation are laid down by Supreme Court, judge, constitution, none of this.
जज
जज
The guidelines for the police investigation are laid down by Supreme Court, not by
Judge.
जज
Supreme Court is right answer.
मैम बट
Arrested
मैम
person-
जज मैम मेरे को
Now the next question is arrested person should be protested before a magistrate within 24 hours of arrest comes under Article 42, Article 51.
22.
Yes, Article 22 is right answer.
20
22 मैं भी 22 बोल रहा था
22
Okay, now quite. FIR usually mentioned A. Date, B. Time and place, C. Detail the basic facts of description of event, D. All of these. Are I'm waiting for
ऑप्शन
all of these
All of these.
all
Ma'am,
of
all of
these.
these.
yes, all of these is correct answer.
all of this
So I think
चेतन ने तबला बजा रहा है
नहीं मत करो ये सब आप लोग क्लास में. I am going to mute all of you then. Then after one by one you raise your hand and tell the answer. What you want?
मैम अब तो आपकी वॉइस सच्ची में मेरा एकदम सही नेटवर्क है लेकिन आपकी अब वॉइस
No, ma'am.
I am
Ma'am, it's
also in a
very
full
clear.
network, beta.
It is
Chaitanya.
clear.
yes ma'am
I am in
ma'am it was very
Wi-Fi.
clear ma'am चेतन
Okay. Next question is
नेट खराब है
quite.
ये भाई बिल्कुल सही है ना
I'm going to mute all of you then. In this way, unnecessarily nobody will talk
Sorry, ma'am.
personally. Rather than answering, nobody will unmute your mic. All of these criminal offenses are regarded as. All of these criminal offenses
ma'am?
are. All of these criminal offenses are regarded as public right, livelihood right, personal right, public wrong. It's a
Ma'am,
public rights
Public
all of
right.
these
right.
criminal offense are regarded as public right. Very good. Criminal offense public right
Thank
है
you.
चैतन्य?
नो मैम वो सेल्फ वो होता है मतलब सेल्फ प्रोटेक्शन के अगेंस्ट हम लोग एफआईआर करते हैं ना उसमें
नहीं क्रिमिनल ऑफेंस. आई एम आस्किंग अबाउट द क्रिमिनल ऑफेंस. I'm not
मैम ऑप्शन
asking
रिपीट करो.
about all of these criminal offenses are regarded as
ऑप्शन ए.
public right, option B livelihood right, personal right or public wrong.
मैम ऑप्शन ए या तो ऑप्शन बी.
ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट आंसर, पब्लिक रॉन्ग. जहां पे इंसान गलत होता है वहीं पे क्रिमिनल ऑफेंस होते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड सिंपली ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन. Right of law includes, listen the question carefully, right of law includes every person has right to live. B, all of these persons' life can be taken away only by following a reasonable and just procedure. C, both A and B. D, none of this.
ऑप्शन ए, ऑप्शन ए, ऑप्शन ए.
No, option C is right answer. Option C, A and B, both A and B.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, वो मतलब हैंग वगैरह कर सकते हैं
Yes.
ना हम, फांसी वगैरह.
Public
suitable reason के
prosecutor
कारण.
function are. Public prosecutor function are A, cross-examine the victim. B, argue the case of victim. C, both A and B. D, none of this.
ऑप्शन
Both
बी,
A
ऑप्शन
and
बी,
B.
मैम ए ऑप्शन ए.
Both A and B.
अच्छा, public prosecutor
बी
victim
फॉर
cross.
क्राइम.
Excuse me, public
ऑप्शन ए मैम.
prosecutor.
ऑप्शन
That's why I'm telling children you are not listening question properly. First of all, listen the question. Public prosecutor function are cross-examine the victim. Victim को cross-examine करता है public prosecutor? No. Argue the case of
नहीं.
victim? No.
यस, ऑप्शन बी, ऑप्शन बी.
No. So none of this.
ऑप्शन बी.
ऑप्शन बी नहीं, ऑप्शन डी, नन ऑफ दिस. पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर क्या करता है? स्टेट को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. वो विक्टिम के खिलाफ बोलता है, इसने ऐसा किया ही है. समझ में आ रहा है? वो उसके लिए आर्ग्यू नहीं करता है. That's why I'm telling, listen the question properly and such type of silly mistakes. Chaitanya, please fight. And such type of mistakes you commit in your examination, very silly mistakes. What